Hey friends, welcome back to Real English Talk. I'm Luna.
And I'm Henry. Thanks for joining us again.
Today's episode is delicious.
We're talking about food.
More than that, we're learning how to order food in English confidently, clearly, even if you're nervous.
If you've ever gone to a restaurant and said, burger? We've got you.
Do you remember the first time you tried to order food in English?
Oh, yeah. I was in New York. I panicked. I pointed at the menu and said, "This one."
Same. I just said chicken. The waiter asked something and I smiled like I understood.
So today, we'll teach you what we wish we knew back then.
Let's start from the beginning, walking into a restaurant.
Okay, picture this. You walk in, the waiter says,
Hello, how many people?
"Table for two, please."
Perfect. That's all you need. Table for two, please.
You can change the number. Table for one, table for four.
Try it with us. Table for two, please. Nice.
Now you're seated, you have the menu, but you see grilled zucchini Alfredo with lemon dressing. Huh,
So you ask, excuse me, what is this?
that's zucchini pasta with cheese and lemon.
Oh, sounds nice. I'll have that.
Two great phrases there. What is this? I'll have that.
Let's say it. Excuse me, what is this? Now say, I'll have that. Good.
Okay, now you're ready to order. You want the beef burger.
I'd like the beef burger, please.
Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please, and a Coke.
I'd like is such a useful phrase.
Yes, much better than just saying burger.
Let's practice. I'd like the beef burger, please. Now you.
Yes, please, and a Coke.
Nice.
Now imagine, you don't want onions.
Can I have it without onions?
Sure, no problem.
Can I have it without? Is perfect. Use it for anything.
Let's try some together. Can I have it without cheese? Can I get it with extra sauce?
Awesome. You're customizing your meal like a native speaker.
You're eating, and your water is gone.
Excuse me? Can I have more water?
Of course.
That's it. So simple. Can I have more?
Try it now. Can I have more napkins? Great.
Okay, you're full. Time to pay.
Can we get the bill, please?
Sure, here you go.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do. You just learned. Can we get the bill? Do you take credit cards?
Let's say them together. Can we get the bill, please? Do you take credit cards?
What if you're ordering together?
What are you getting?
I think I'll get the chicken sandwich. You?
Maybe pasta. Or we can share a pizza?
Real talk with friends. That's English too.
Let's go over today's top phrases. Table for two, please. What is this? I'd like the burger. Can I have it without onions? Can we get the bill?
If you know these, you're good to go.
Your challenge today. Go to a cafe or restaurant and use just one phrase from today's episode.
It could be, "Hi, I'd like a coffee." Or, "Can I pay with card?"
Be proud of trying. Don't wait to be perfect.
And tell us in the comments, what did you say in English?
You don't need big words. You just need small sentences with confidence.
Ordering food is not just about eating. It's about connection.
We're proud of you for speaking real English, step by step.
We'll see you next time on Real English Talk.